A new law awaiting the North Carolina governor's signature is reigniting the long simmering debate over the death penalty. Iryna's law now sits on Governor Stein's desk, potentially reinstating executions after years of legal battles. WCNC Charlotte's Judicial Woodard looks at the likelihood of the death penalty returning and how this law could impact that.
Well, the death penalty was last used in North Carolina back in 2006, but this new law could remove some of those judicial hurdles that's led to pauses or delays in the death penalty for years. As Iryna's law awaits a final signature, Noelle Nickel with the North Carolina Coalition for Alternatives says, if approved, it could come with big changes. Two key factors she mentions is the use of additional execution methods and new time constraints for folks on death row.
It takes time for these cases of innocence and other legitimate reasons that someone should not be sentenced to death. So the bill specifies a 2-year timeline.
She says the new time restrictions could also impact the 122 people that currently sit on death row in North Carolina.
So some of those individuals have different types of pending litigation, but it would immediately start the clock ticking for a number of those individuals.
For victims' families, views are split.
Killing someone else is not going to bring back my son.
While some are not in support of the death penalty,
that's not honoring him. That's not helping victims.
Others say it's a step in the right direction.
How many chances do you get? Because it used to be 3, right? So when did it change to 40? I'm 1,000% okay with the death penalty, without a doubt. I think the justice has to fit the crime. The punishment has to fit the crime.
And right now, all eyes are on Governor Stein as he prepares to make a decision that could reshape the justice system for years to come. Reporting for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Tradisha Woodard.